Good morning, it's Mega Mel here in the Queens Canyon. It was all set up by General Palmer back in the late 1800s when he built his Glen Eyrie Castle down into the canyon. These are catwalks that I'm on that run up above the creek, and this is the most beautiful hiking trail, I believe, in Colorado Springs. It's my favorite trail because you follow these catwalks up the canyon. 3/4 of a mile up is a beautiful 25-foot waterfall, and beyond that the punch bowls that you can see in my Mega Mel Runs the Punch Bowls YouTube. I'm up here I think on December 17th. It's a couple days after I did my Chapter 1 YouTube on losing weight. This will be Chapter 2, and I want to get my camera in position. Hopefully it's running. And now we're going to talk again, Chapter 2, Mega Mel Tips on Losing Weight. This chapter is called The Standard Technique. And the standard technique is simply calorie counting. That's all there is to it. Here's the, give you a little bit better, hopefully, picture of the cartoon and the chapter in my book. The quit eating tip in Chapter 1 absolutely works. I went a couple days one time just drinking water just to see, well, what's that like? And I would recommend that you just drink water for one meal. 2 meals would even be better, because what I want you to do is get the discipline, feel like you've got the self-control that you can go a few hours without stuffing your face with food. Get on that path where you feel like, okay, I'm not going to have to go to the hospital in a ambulance just because I missed a meal, because that will set you up for the strength, for the self-discipline to actually control your calorie intake. So just try that. Now what you want to do then for this system, the standard technique, is start recording your calories. Just basically that. Record your calories and make sure that you go below 2,000. I recommend 1,500 calories per day for beginning a weight loss program, because most people burn at least 2,000 calories. So if you only take in 1,500, now you're going to start losing weight. And you've got to do this religiously. You've got to stick with it, because it takes time. It might take you a year to lose the weight that you want. Once you get down to your goal of your weight, now you can bring your calories back up so you maintain that weight. And I mentioned in Chapter 1, 2,000 calories worth of food is plenty. That's a lot. 1,500? Yeah, you might feel like, yeah, I could eat a little bit more, but you're wanting to lose weight, so you're going to have to suffer a little bit if you want the payback. So my tip in Chapter 2, Mega Mel's tip is, you are in control of your fingers. They don't control you. You control them. So just use your self-control and make it happen. And that's pretty much what it amounts to. This is Mega Mel, and that's a take.